Hello everybody, Jacob Sheets here, Realtor with eXp Realty and Provision Properties, and we just got done, we're in Sun Prairie, Wisconsin at Cardinal Title, just got done closing on Bob's home. I'll let him introduce himself, tell his story, but allow him to share what it was like getting connected, how you heard of us, your story in general, and then also what you liked about working with me and my team.
Yeah, absolutely. So the house is down in Delavan. It's a beautiful property, about 8 acres on the water, 4 beds, huge, 4 baths, huge property. What attracted me to the team, Jacob and the team did a phenomenal job on a property up in Door County with a video, and that really give me confidence that they would do a phenomenal job with this property down here in Whitewater or Delavan. It was very similar in terms of the house. They just did a phenomenal job with the video, with describing it, with the just how they marketed it. And we got it sold in about 25 days, which is phenomenal. So, you know, they're awesome to work with. Definitely highly recommend Jacob and Mike and the team at eXp. Just can't say enough great things about working with the team.
Well, thank you so much. And your story is different, right? Because you were about to go to auction.
Yes.
Right? Because
yes.
it was it was not staged, but it was a luxury home down here in southern Wisconsin, and
right.
on Lake Lorraine, so a much smaller lake for those that are watching here, but still a really beautiful property. And did all sorts of work, was deciding to list it as is, but instead you ended up working with insurance and getting a new roof and
new
windows and painting the property,
yes.
and all this stuff. And clearing out a path down to the water,
yes,
right? All the stuff, right? So the things that we could do to improve it, make it look better, and then also, showcase it online. But then the difference between going an auction route versus what we did, and even to pricing, right?
Yes.
How to price it, where we wanted to land, where to go, and when from there. I don't know if you want to share any of those things.
Yeah, no, I was thinking about, like Jacob mentioned, thinking about going to auction. That was really my 2 routes, is doing on an auction or going realtor.
Because it was inherited.
It was inherited property, yes. So I wanted to get the most value that I could for the property.
Yep.
And just kind of rolled the dice with the team and kind of thought that this would be the great way to go, especially after I saw the video and Jacob reaching out and really forming that trust and that relationship together. So, it just, it was excellent property, and fantastic people to work with.
Thank you so much. An homage to you and your dad,
yes.
Ray, who built it, and just...
Yeah, I built it in about 2000, so it's, 24 years, and he designed it on the back of a matchbook cover, was like he likes to say, and so he knew what he wanted, how he wanted it built, what he wanted, how much land, the perfect property. He wanted to be on water or some form of water, whether the lake or river or whatnot, and just came about this property in 99 and felt this was the right place for him. He was originally from Wisconsin, moved back in 2001 after the house was built from Connecticut, so he kind of wanted to come back home and live out his retirement out here, and that's what he did for 24 years. So great memories, and looking forward to possibly working with the team in the future. We'll see what happens.
I love that. I look forward to it too. Well, thank you so much for the great little review here and the story, sharing that with other people out here. And if you're watching this, you'd like to get connected, you'd like to build a relationship with me, my team, anyone covering the entire state of Wisconsin, feel free to reach out. We'll either put the contact info on the screen here somewhere in the description below, something like that, and we look forward to you reaching out, building a relationship, taking care of you, and helping you either buy or sell your next property. See you soon.